Ever wondered how to make your PowerPoint presentation truly stand out? The secret lies in adding videos. Videos don't just fill space, they bring your content to life, energize your slides, and keep your audience engaged from start to finish. Hi, I'm Samantha from The Productive Posse, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to insert videos into your PowerPoint presentations. Whether you're embedding a YouTube clip, using your own footage, or even adding a video from your computer, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Prepare your video. Before we jump into inserting the video, let's make sure your video file is ready to go. First, make sure you're using a compatible video format. The most common and reliable formats for presentations are MP4, MOV, and AVI. However, MP4 is generally the most universal and easiest to work with. For a list of more acceptable video formats, I've added a link in the description box that you can check out after the video. Now, keep in mind that large video files can slow down your presentation or cause playback issues. If your video is particularly large, consider compressing it using software like Handbrake or another video compression tool. This will help maintain the video quality while reducing the file size, ensuring smoother playback during your presentation. Step 2. Insert the video. Alright, let's get that video into your PowerPoint presentation. Once your presentation is opened, head over to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find the video option in the Media group. Clicking on this gives you 4 choices. In most cases, you'll either be adding videos from your computer or from an online source. For this presentation, you'll learn how to upload your own video and from a source like YouTube. To add a video from your computer, click Movie from File and navigate to the folder where your video is stored. Once you find your file, click Insert, and just like that, your video is part of your presentation. Now, let's add a video from an online source like YouTube. Go back to the Insert tab, and this time you'll choose the option Online Movie. I already have my link, so I'm going to paste it in the box. Click Insert. Since this video was added to a slide I already have, I'm simply going to duplicate my slide, remove the first video, and this is the second video inserted from YouTube. Depending on how you inserted the video, it will either be embedded in the presentation or linked. An embedded video is stored directly within your PowerPoint file, so you don't have to worry about missing files. However, if you link to the video, as you would with a YouTube link or file from another source, the video must be present on the same device when you present. Choose the embedding option when in doubt, especially if you're worried about a link going bad or having access to the internet at the time of presenting. Step 3. Adjust the video settings. Now, let's make sure that video fits perfectly within your slide. Once inserted, You can resize this video by clicking on it and dragging the corner handles. Place the video wherever you want it on the slide. Next, let's explore some playback options. Select the video and select playback from the menu. This opens a tab where you can adjust several settings. You can set the video to start automatically when you reach the slide, or choose on click or when clicked on if you want the video to play only when you manually click the screen. There's also an option to loop the video during your presentation. This is a great feature if you have a short video or want it to play continuously while you speak. Just click the loop until stopped. Another useful feature is trimming. If your video includes an intro or outro that's not relevant to your presentation, you can easily trim it by clicking Trim Video in the Playback tab. Adjust the sliders to select the start and end points of the video. This will help you keep things focused and professional. Pro tips for success. Before you present, always test your video to ensure it plays smoothly. There's nothing worse than preparing a killer presentation only to find that the video doesn't work during the actual presentation. Also, if you're presenting on a different computer or device, make sure you test the video on that device ahead of time. Some presentations have trouble with embedded videos, so it's a good idea to keep a backup, like a USB drive with the video file ready to go just in case. Lastly, make sure your presentation is compatible across devices. For example, if you're going to be presenting on a Mac but created your presentation on a Windows machine, make sure the video format works on both operating systems. You can check this by testing the presentation on both devices before the big day. That's it. You now have all the tools to insert videos into your PowerPoint and take your presentations to the next level. Whether you're embedding the videos from your computer or pulling in content from YouTube, you've got everything you need to make your slides more dynamic and engaging. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support helps me create more content like this. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making your presentations shine. Got any questions or challenges with inserting videos? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and all the best with creating your next presentation. Let's make it unforgettable.